Keeping Chicago well from Adventist Midwest Health and these local sponsors.
Did you know that 20% of lung cancer patients have never smoked a cigarette a day in their life? That's why we should all pay attention to the warning signs. There are no routine screenings for lung cancer, and your risks increase with age. So if you're experiencing anything out of the ordinary, please get it checked out. Frequent cough, blood in your cough, chest pain, hoarseness, trouble breathing, and unexplained weight loss are common symptoms of lung cancer. And of course, if you're a smoker, seek help to quit. The most effective way to quit smoking is to combine medicine with counseling. Adventist Midwest Health treats lung cancer from the inside out with new image-guided radiation therapy that is helping to improve outcomes.
Unlike lung cancer, you can get routine screenings for prostate cancer. Schedule a free screening today at 866-833-7968.